Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a MoYou London stamping plate haul video for you. MoYou London had another $1 to $2 sale on their stamping plate, and you guys know they always suck me in. I just can't resist when they have these sales, and finally I got my plates organized, so it is much easier for me to go through the list when they have these offers and make sure that I am not purchasing plates that I already own. If you guys would like to get notified on their sales, what I can recommend you is to subscribe to their newsletter, and then in email I usually get notification when these sales are ongoing. I really need to stop because at this point I am literally running out of space for my MoYou London plates, but I love them so much, and they come out with absolutely gorgeous designs on their plate that I can never resist. So I am very happy. Again, on average with shipping, which is a $10 shipping, flat rate shipping, I paid around $2.20 or something like that for all the plates that I will show you today. If you would like to see any of these in action, leave me in the comment section which plate, and the best way to see designs of me using them is on my Instagram account. And of course, if you do enjoy haul videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. As always, I will show you close-ups today, but if there is anything that catches your interest, just please let me know and I will be happy to use them in some future tutorials or manicures. Alright, so stay tuned to the haul portion. Thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.